Here's what you can expect
when you hire Shanklin's Indoor Air Quality or IAQ team to clean your air ducts. You'll receive a call from our team when they are on their way, along with their expected arrival time. Once we arrive at your home for your scheduled appointment, the service typically takes about 4 to 6 hours, depending on the size of your home. Our team will introduce themselves and explain the process thoroughly. We will ensure that we answer any questions you may have along the way. We always show the highest level of care and respect for your home by ensuring that all the people and animals who live there feel comfortable during our visit. Next, the homeowner will direct the IAQ team to the location of the furnace in the home. Before we begin the process, our technicians will explain that we will be cutting an approximately 8-inch hole in both the return and supply sides of the ductwork. This is to remove dust and debris using our vacuum equipment. Don't worry, each opening will be fully patched and sealed by our team at the end of the visit. Our team members will locate all air vents, cold air returns, and any possible access point for equipment placement during the cleaning. Our team will make every effort to access your furnace in the least intrusive way possible, such as through the garage, a basement window, a walkout basement door, or the front door. Keep in mind that we will need to turn off the furnace during the cleaning and that some doors may need to stay open to accommodate our equipment. Once the furnace and all the access points have been identified, the IAQ team will begin the cleaning process. We will bring our hoses into the home and connect them to our vacuum machine, which will remain outside and will run the entire service to ensure that dust and debris stay outside the home. To protect your house, we will use drop cloths and corner covers so that our equipment does not leave your home any differently than we found it. As previously discussed, an access hole will be cut in both the supply and return trunk lines where an 8-inch hose is safely attached. The air filler will then be removed and a filter block will be installed to prevent dust from entering the furnace during the cleaning process. Our team will enter each room in the house to seal all accessible vents and registers with transparent tape. We do this to create the strongest possible vacuum, which leads to the most amount of dust and debris being pulled out of the ductwork and directed to the vacuum machine outside. If needed, during this time, any small items of furniture that is blocking vents will be carefully moved to ensure full access to the vents. We kindly ask that homeowners move any large furniture or heavy items that may be blocking vents prior to our arrival. However, if you need assistance, our team is happy to help. Using our air hoses connected to our truck-mounted air compressor, we will run the air hoses down each register to dislodge any dust and debris from the vents. In addition, we will take photos before and after and upload them to your customer account to ensure that the job is completed thoroughly. After each vent is accessed from its respective room, our team will then access the ducts from the basement ductwork. From there, we will drill 1-inch holes into the ductwork to insert our air hoses and push the dust and debris towards the vacuum hose, which is attached to the furnace. Rest assured, we will fully seal the access holes once the cleaning is finished. Once all vents, registers, and trunk lines have been cleaned, we will take care of the finishing touches. This includes removing all of our equipment, sealing the vacuum access points, and cleaning up any dust in and around the furnace. We will also turn your furnace back on and ensure that everything is working properly. We will then pack everything up and ask if we can place a duct cleaning sign in your yard to spread the word about duct cleaning from Shanklin Heating, Air Conditioning, and Electric. And that's it. It's that simple. To schedule your duct cleaning today, visit shanklinserves.com or call the number on your screen.